And now we see that one more back to the check. Alright, testing 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Okay, we are good now. Thank you. What did I say earlier? Enemies. We are our enemies. Right? We have one enemy which is ourselves. Our mind. Our emotional thoughts. All those are our enemies. And those are our enemies. We have one farm with all our wild animals in us. Is that true? And so that is the reason why. The reason why we do not have a peaceful day. Right now, probably you feel peace right now because standing here listening to the talk and because you pay attention to my talk. That's why we can have a peaceful moment because of that concentration. But the whole day earlier I had, your whole day when you woke up until now, were you at peace? From that time to now, probably not. Not a lot of us have that kind of peaceful day. It's because we have to go to work. It's because we have to take care of family. It's because we run into problems. It's because our boss, our wife, our husbands, and our kids have done something that we are not happy with. A lot of things going on within our life. That is the reason why to have peace is very difficult. Very difficult. Because these one element inside of us is always jumping here and there, trying to attack. Trying to attack the others and trying to attack ourselves. And this is what's not going to have a chance. Right? Just like those hungry tiger. They are super hungry right now. And so, whenever we need something, we cannot fulfill it, then it will eat us up. Those are tigers. It means when we are free, when we are living in this world without any wholesome thoughts, and all those unwholesome thoughts keep popping up one after another. Especially when we are free, we don't have a job to do, we don't have anything to do. That is the time when we always sit in there and imagine more things and think about this way and that way to fulfill our unwholesome thought, unwholesome mind. We are like that. All we are just like that because of that habit. That habit is because we always doing wholesome things behind the scene or speculative area anywhere that's not many people notice us. And it's just that when you are tired, exhausted, you close that door and shut that door and stay in the room. And those are the times you thought that it would help you, but not really. It didn't help you at all. It just gave you EMS. Okay, everybody's officials right there. Okay. Okay, for all of us here, let's pay attention to the question on that side. There is more good out and overall. The right hand on top of the left hand. Close your eyes. Don't pay attention to what happened with the business if you don't know. Pay attention to what we need to do right now to support. Now feel those heartbeats. Just feel those heartbeats in your heart. Feel your body, this is the time of you to feel yourself. Okay, so we need to understand when there's something happening, there's a lot of things that we want to do, but unfortunately, we are not professionals about it. So the only way to support that initiative is for us to stay focused to one thing. Either you focus on your reading, on your body, to cultivate some merit. Once you have that merit, and then with the power of all of those steadiness of mind that can radiate to the person who you meet, that is the most effective way for us to support. That also support the medical team to do their work as well. So thank you so much for your support. Now back to the ground. You see, if we are not working with it, we can do it with utmost of love. And then when we have free time, when we are free, we are open, then our minds will continue wandering and wandering, thinking of all kinds of things. And if we keep lost ourselves in that world, then maybe one day later, you probably thinking of committing suicide because of depression. Our mind is like that. When it's free, when it's not associated with the others, and all those things within our head, then all those wires are just going to happen. when you lost yourself. That is when you lost yourself. I have seen many cases like this. I myself, before I went to become a monk, when I went to school, I went home, I shut the door and stayed in my room. And when I go to work, after I get back to work, I shut the door and after I went and stayed in my room, do my own thing. I don't talk with my family members. Throughout those times, it just make me feel consistent. Make me feel like this is the life. That is the nature of the mind when our mind is free, and we can just thinking about all the good things of it. And then when we go on, we have to encounter a lot of things at the job site, with co-workers, supervisors, and anybody. There's a lot of things that doesn't happen. And we're not mindful enough, we always stress out. And for the students, when you go to school, same thing, when you try to achieve your goal, and you try to study, and you try to do the thing that your parents ask you to do, you expect them to be. There's no stress about it. Who's in here that force your children to be the person you always expected, doctor, engineer, whatsoever? Who's in here that you always expect your children to be that person? If you do, I advise you not to, because that will help them instead it will harm them. They will have that kind of stress and anxiety all the time if they cannot make it. Let them choose their own career. Let them choose their own career. They need to learn how to stand up after a failure. If they fail, they fall down, they need to learn how to stand up and walk again. If they cannot finish their career in one that they chose, they will come back to you and listen to you. Don't try to control things. Because the more you try to control your kids, the more you will suffer. Yesterday I talked about our children affected by friends 100% by their friends, not us. Even though they stay with us, but they always stay with you in their group. Sometimes they just walk with you for a couple seconds and then that's it. And nowadays, even if a family dinner, each and every single member in that table holding your lovers while eating, which is your circle. You barely have a time to talk with each other and communicate with each other. When your kids at home, they don't talk with you either. They talk with their brothers.